All right, welcome back. So we're looking at lesson 5. We're going to talk about variables at code.org here. So the activity 1 is just making a prediction. What's going on here? We have this new purple block var, and we have a name for it. It's called x position, and it's equal to 50. So what is all this going on? Well, variables in coding essentially are used for storing information. So we can say that this x position is going to be worth 50. And wherever we see it in the code, at least this is what I'm going to predict for myself, is that this ellipse has 50. So that means that the x location will be 50, the y location 350, and then the 100, so it's width and height. So I'm going to predict that that is the x position, or the x in the ellipse will be 50. And I would imagine wherever you could put the x position, that's going to take that value and plug it in there. Okay, so if I go ahead and run this, and it places it down here. So that sure looks like that, where it's going to be over 50 and then all the way down at the bottom. And if I look at the grid, I can see that, look at that, the x is 50 and the y is 350, which is what these are. So that's what the prediction is. Hopefully this helps you.